Hello everyone, in this video let's take close about the river catfish. The scientific name is Pangasianodon hypophthalmus and common name iridescent shark butt, in Malaysia known as patin line. Pangasius is a genus of big shark catfishes found to South and Southeast Asia. This species commonly native to freshwater fish that inhabits riverine areas and estuaries. The climate for this species are in tropical and pH water between 6.0 until 7.5. Next is morphology of river catfish. The fins are dark gray or black and have 6 branched dorsal fin rays, while gill rakers normally developed. A young with a black stripe along lateral line and a second long black stripe below lateral line, large adults uniformly gray. Dark stripe on the middle of anal fin which dark stripe in each caudal lobe and the small gill rakers regularly interspersed with larger ones. As they reach their adult size, which can be up to a whopping 4 feet 130 in length in the wild, their coloring becomes a uniform darker gray, often without the stripping. Next, the organ of fish divided into 2 parts which is external and internal parts. The external parts consist anatomy of fins such as pectoral fin, dorsal fin, pelvic fin, adipose fin, anal fin, and caudal fin, while the internal parts consist of coelomic cavities, circulatory system, branchial respiratory system, and digesting system. In the next subtopic, we tell about the Pangasianodon hypophthalmus breeding, which is the factor controlling breeding and breeding methods. The factor control have divided into 2, which is internal control and external control. The internal control through the endocrine system or physiological. External control are temperature, salinity, good water quality, adequate food, and photoperiod. Pangasianodon hypophthalmus breeding method can through natural method and induced method. First, natural method is breeding in natural environment, which is they produce the eggs. Then, the eggs, larvae, fry and fingerling are collected for pond stocking. All seed collection carried out with no physical damage. Collected fry transported in well-aerated, cool water to the pond or tank for stocking. Next, induced or artificial method. Ripe fish breeders are stimulated by pituitary hormone or other synthetic hormone, introduced to breed in captive condition. Then, stimulation promotes timely release of sperms and eggs by using hypophasation technique. Wash our best breeding method. Both breeding method are useful in different situations. However, overall winning is on the artificial method because of a few advantages. Among of it is the breed seeds may available when needed, accurate stages identification, and economical. This section was discussed about the culture rearing system for Pangasius fish. There are 3 types of culture rearing system such as extensive, semi-intensive and intensive. The most common culture fish rearing for Pangasius fish. The advantages for pond culture rearing are it can lead to yield of about to 5030 amount ha, more than 4 times that of other aqua species. Benefits for biodiversity, less risky and supply the additional nutrition from natural pond productivity. Furthermore, the guidelines for the selection of suitable site for pond is according to this temperature. Should be kept between 20 to 30 Celsius with pH between 6.5 and 9.5, soil quality, accessibility, water supply and quality, and availability of manpower. Pangasianodon hypophthalmus or patin luwang is that have 6 fins and nature live in freshwater. If want to farming this fish, for rearing system in pond needs suitable about pH 6.0 until 9.5, while for breeding use for Pangasianodon hypophthalmus is induced or artificial method that use the hormone treatment to produce the eggs.